Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So this is day 1 of the battery life. So similar kind of test I'll be doing for the day 2 and day 3. Because let's check how many days I can actually use this phone, friends, and how much maximum screen on time I can get through in this phone. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist for the wallpapers and playlist for the Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, Redmi Note 9 Pro or any device, so just WhatsApp me to the number given, friends. So send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel, and just click the like button as well, friends. So or you can ask me the query if you're having any confusion between which phone to buy. And let's get started with this battery backup test, friends. So the thing why I decided to do 3 different videos, because the battery backup of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is very good because of having 5000 mAh capacity, friends, and I can easily get through, I think, maybe 3 days of usage with this phone with the medium to normal usage. So I'll be explaining you each and everything, what are the applications I used, how much time screen on time it is, and how it is. And one thing is that, friends, and throughout the test I never disconnected the 4G. So that is a common mobile data is completely on throughout the complete test, even day 1, day 2, day 3. So I'll be keeping continuously on, friends. And next is the brightness is at always 50%. So I have disabled the auto brightness, so brightness is at always 50%, friends. Doesn't matter the situation, dark situation or sunlight situation, I always try to use the 50% brightness to get more accurate results. So these are day 1, so I did not test the standby mode, but definitely when I'm sleeping, before sleeping, I'll try to take the screenshot, and I'll take it in the tomorrow morning, and I'll include those tests in the day 2, friends. So I don't want to make the video very long, so that's why I decided to make each and every video in 3 different parts. And now let me open the battery statistics, friends, so where you can find the screen on time and everything details. So if you look at here, friends, as you can see, the last charge is around 15 hours ago, friends. So 14 hours and 57 minutes, so close to 15 hours. So this is a charge which I did in early morning, 6 o'clock, before going to my job. So at that time I've taken the screenshot. Definitely I'll be showing you the screenshot of the 100%. So it is the screen on time, friends, how much it is at the end of the day 1. So 2 hours 43 minutes. So with the battery percent of 73%, friends, at the moment, 73. So now let me show you some screenshots which I have taken during this process of testing. So as you can see, friends, this is a screenshot which I have taken at 6:24 a.m. with the 100% brightness and with the 4G on as well, as you can see, friends. And one thing I noticed is that in terms of 4G connection, I decided to do another video, friends, because I feel the Redmi Note 9 Pro is getting a little bit of low signals. So because I did not have a single point anytime in my room, so that's the one thing I noticed a bit odd in this phone, friends. But definitely I'll try to compare at same time, switching the SIMs between another phones, and I'll be doing another video on that. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel. And also another thing I want to mention is that in terms of Bluetooth connection, so I think I have connected the Bluetooth maybe 3 hours with the phone today. So 3 hours of Bluetooth connection, friends, and 50% brightness and mobile data on. As you can see, the Bluetooth is connected. So at the time in the morning when I taken the screenshot, and it is a screenshot, friends, which I have taken at the 2:16 p.m. As you can see, friends, 2:16 p.m. and the phone percentage is about 90%, friends. And let me show you the screen on time, friends, how much it is at the time of 90%. So here you can see 90, and screen on time is around 1 hour 24 minutes, friends. So during this time, what I did is that I tried to reply to the most of the WhatsApp messages which I got regarding the queries regarding all the phones. So I tried to use the mobile data and 50% brightness, and I used the WhatsApp continuously replying everyone. So this was my usage, friends. Even I used a little bit of Google Chrome browsing. I did not use much of the YouTube. Maybe I used maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes of YouTube during this process. So another test which I did is that in this day 1. So right now you can see, friends, 81% with the 4G connection, Bluetooth earphones connected. So this is an online radio application which I have streamed, friends, for about, I think, 2 hours. So yeah, exactly 2 hours I played continuously the only the music from the online. So just to check how much the battery will be drained. So during this process, the phone was completely off. So the phone was in my inside of my bed, and it did not uh, touch anything. So this was completely off, friends, when the phone is off. So just want to show you how much the battery will be drained at the time of playing the audio. So for 5:28, I started to play, and 7:30 p.m. I've taken the screenshot with 75% left, friends, as you can see clearly 75. And if you are noticed 7:30 p.m. 75 percentage, and right now at the moment 9:25, and at the moment the battery percentage is of 73%, friends. So there is only 2% drop during this time. So you can understand even the standby mode also is pretty good during this time, friends. So overall there's a drop of 6 percentage. So 3 hours for 1 hour of streaming or online music. So this is what I did in the day one of testing, friends. And overall my results are pretty good, and I'm very much satisfied with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And definitely the justification of having the 5000 mAh is pretty good in this phone. So there is no problem. I'm pretty much happy, friends. For the battery I can give 10 by 10 points for the device, but I'm only worried about the 4G signals a bit. I'm getting single point. So well, don't worry, friends, I'll try to do another video comparing with other phones, Realme X2 or Poco X2, other devices. So this is overall day one battery drain test, friends. And for more day 2 day 3, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.